I hope everyone's having a great day. I am Mr. Ish. Thank you for joining me. For this geometry video, we have here a square A, B, C, and D. You see that. It has four sectors, sector A, B, C, and D. They're all equal to each other. Each of these sectors has a vertex, or you can say where the radius originates from, and they're mentioned as A, B, C, and D as written over there. The only dimension you're given is this R. We have to determine the area of this blue circle. The blue circle, if not showing it well, but it's tangential to all of these sector arcs. So keep that in mind. How can you go about determining that blue circle area? Well, if you're looking here, each of these being equal sectors, and you know they must be bisecting these lengths or meeting at these lengths of the square at midpoint. So therefore this must be R, that must be R, R. All the way around we're looking at an R. If you re-represent this square, and nothing is drawn to scale, but if you re-represent it, you're looking at dimension sides of 2R. You can easily draw a right triangle here, and you can see 2R, 2R, and you know by means of 45, 45, and 90, this must be 2 root 2R. We'll call that 2 root 2R, which means all of this is 2 root 2R. But then, you know, if you're looking here at sectors, that must be a dimension R, and that must be a dimension here R. R here can represent a radius. If you extend this across, then you're looking here at a certain diameter. If you can determine that diameter, we're good. We know this entire diagonal is 2 root 2R. If we were to minus from it these two R's, which is 2R, you're looking at a diameter which will remain, and that diameter will be, you can isolate a 2R and represent a root 2 minus 1. This entire expression would be your diameter. Therefore radius must be half of that. We can just say radius because we already have R's over here. Divide this by 2, you're looking at R parentheses root 2 minus 1. Send it through this. Area is equal to pi R square, which will be the area of this blue circle. You're looking at a pi, and then you have R root 2 minus 1, and you're looking at a square of that. If you were to impact everything, you're looking at pi R square in its own parentheses, then you're looking at root 2 minus 1 whole square. You can open up all of this. You'll have here pi, and then you'll have R square, and then this root 2 is a 2. You can say 2R square minus 2 root 2R square plus R square. Then you can stop right here if you want. This will represent the area of that blue circle. You would just open this up, root 2 minus 1 times root 2 minus 1. You would hit that with R square, then you'll combine everything here with the pi. Pi parentheses 2R square minus 2 root 2R square plus R square. It should be right. This would be your area of this blue circle, and we're done. Thank you for watching.